Most people think they have a focus problem. They don't. They have an environment problem. Right now, your laptop is probably sitting flat on your desk, and that one thing alone is quietly putting your brain to sleep. Here's what nobody tells you. Deep focus isn't something you force. It's something you engineer. And once you understand your screen position, your ultradian cycles, and your body's temperature minimum, you can build a work environment so dialed in that focus almost becomes automatic. Let's get into it. For most people, their laptop or tablet is sitting flat on a desk, which means their eyes are constantly angled downward, usually around 30 degrees or so. And here's the thing, that's actually working against you. When your eyes look down and your eyelids drop even slightly, your brain shifts toward a sleepy, low alert state. It's basically a signal to your nervous system that it's time to wind down. But when your eyes are level, or even slightly above level, your brain kicks into a higher state of alertness. So one of the simplest things you can do today is raise your screen to at least eye level. That one change alone can make a noticeable difference in how sharp you feel while working. Now let's talk about focus sessions. A lot of people ask, how long should I actually work before taking a break? For most people, the sweet spot is about 90 minutes. Here's why. Your brain naturally cycles through periods of high focus and lower focus roughly every 90 minutes, all day and all night. These are called ultradian cycles. At the beginning of a work session, you're usually not fully locked in yet. You might feel distracted, your mind wanders, you check something you probably didn't need to check. But if you stay with it, something interesting happens. Your focus starts building, and eventually you hit that state where everything just clicks. I call it the tunnel. That deep, almost effortless state of focus where the work just flows. Your brain loves being in that state, but it does take a few minutes to get there. So here's what I recommend. First, set a timer for 90 minutes and fully commit to your work. Second, turn your phone completely off. And here's a bonus tip. Play low-level white noise in the background. White noise is basically all sound frequencies mixed together randomly. At a low volume, it nudges your brain into a state that's ideal for focus and learning. Now, when should you schedule this 90-minute session? This is where it gets really interesting. Your body has something called a temperature minimum, the lowest point your body temperature reaches in a 24-hour period. It usually happens about 2 hours before you naturally wake up. So if you wake up at 7 a.m., your temperature minimum is around 5 a.m. After that point, your body temperature gradually starts rising. That rise triggers a healthy cortisol release, which is what wakes you up and gets you alert. And it keeps climbing through the afternoon. Now, if you're one of those people who naturally wakes up feeling laser-focused and ready to work immediately, that's great. Use it. Don't force yourself into a schedule that doesn't fit. So here's the breakdown. Raise your screen. Protect a full 90-minute focus block. Find the time of day when your brain naturally wants to work with you instead of against you. That's it. Nothing fancy. And in the next video, I'll be breaking down more morning fixes just like these. So stay tuned and subscribe for more practical self-improvement content.